Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make white chicken korma. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video and let's know how to make this delicious dish. First, I'm going to add oil about half cup. With that, I'm going to add all these ingredients those are mentioned above. These ingredients are really healthy and going to make it really delicious. And I'm going to add ginger garlic paste about 1 tablespoon and white onion in a medium size. I have chopped them quite well and I'm going to cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Once you'll see the onion started changing its color, then we will move towards the next ingredient. You have to mix it gradually so that onion changes its color evenly. It is being cooked evenly, as you can see. You don't have to change the color of onion towards brown. It has to be off-white. Once it has turned out to be off-white, you can add chicken about 1 kg and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. And with the help of a spoon, again you have to mix it gradually so that it has turned its color towards white and it is cooked evenly. I'm mixing it. Why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button? Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon, hit it and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. Now I'm going to add salt about 1 teaspoon and again I'm going to mix for 2 to 3 minutes. And once it's done mixing and it has started changing its color, then we will move towards the next ingredient. As you can see, it has started changing its color and it is turning out to be brown. Then we are going to add yogurt about half cup. And while I'm adding yogurt, then after that I'm going to mix all these ingredients quite well, and it is like a necessary part of it and it's going to give it a really good flavor. You can also add some of the tomatoes if you don't have yogurt available, but yogurt is available everywhere. Now I am going to add cinnamon powder half teaspoon, black pepper powder half teaspoon, and with that I'm going to add dried fenugreek half teaspoon, green chilies half tablespoon, and that's all. Mix all these ingredients quite well, and after that I am going to cover it for 10 to 15 minutes and let's wait for it to get cooked. After 15 minutes, take off the lid and mix it again. Now I'm going to add cream, half cup of it, and that's it. And once the cream is mixed quite well, then we will be ready to eat or serve this dish. Now you can see the dish has changed its color. Turn off the flame and it into a presentable dish. I am adding it into a handi. I hope you really like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and your family so they can get access to my videos as well. And if you have any query related to any video, just comment in the comment section and I will be rather happy to answer you on the first go. Till then, goodbye. See you in the next video and remember to subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.